Looks like a typical afternoon hanging out with friends. Sophia, you've got to see this hilarious meme. No! Oh, something tells me that wasn't the look you were going for, Sophia. Amy, you made me break my very favorite lipstick! I'm so mad at you right now, Amy. Here, it's all yours now. Oh man, there's gotta be a way I can fix this. Anyone have magic powers to stick this thing back together? Actually, I have an idea. Did you know that you can manipulate makeup when you melt it? For a broken lipstick like this, put a small flame to the base, making it nice and soft. Now stick the broken pieces right on top and melt them together as you melt it. After it cools, remove any lingering broken pieces. And that's all there is to it. Hey Sophia, I have something to show you. I hope it's not another meme. What? Is that my broken lipstick? How on earth did you get it back together again? It literally looks exactly the same as when I first bought it. Okay, can I be your best friend again? I'm so happy we were finally able to meet up. I've wanted to do this for weeks. Oh, I almost forgot. I have to tell you all about the gossip I heard yesterday. Oh man, this is gonna be another one of Lana's long-winded stories, isn't it? Hold that thought. I'm gonna run to the restroom, okay? Alright then. Well, I guess I can use this time to touch up my lipstick really quick. Let me get my compact out. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with here. Whenever your date runs to the restroom, it's always an easy excuse to do a makeup check. Nice. Oh, my blush wore off. I look so pale and splotchy. No, this just won't do. I'll just pop on a little blush and all will be better. Did I seriously forget to put it in here? Oh no! Now what am I gonna do? If you're ever in a bind and need to add a little color to your cheeks, try this handy little trick. Pucker up and put your freshly painted lips onto a paper napkin like this. Press the mark to your cheek, like this. Now do the same exact thing to the other side. Don't worry, it's not going to look like this for long. With your finger, gently rub the lipstick into your skin. It's a little sticky, so take a minute to blend it in. Don't forget the other cheek, Lana. There you go. Wow, that really does look like you're wearing real blush. See the difference? Well, that was a close call. I better put this stuff away before he comes back. There you are! Man, stay out of that bathroom. Yikes. After spending some time in there, Lana's long story suddenly doesn't seem so bad. Ugh, biology class. Next to the weirdo in the class. As if sitting through a boring lecture weren't bad enough, all of a sudden, you realize it's that time of the month and definitely time to make an emergency trip to the ladies' room. Oh god! Ew, mind getting that tampon away from my paper? I don't know what to say. This is the most embarrassing thing ever! Okay, let's take a few steps back here. Next time you're scrambling for a tampon in your purse, try this nifty little trick. Take an old lipstick or chapstick container like this one, and make sure the makeup is out of it. Place a small tampon inside the container where the lipstick would normally go. Super easy, right? So next time you're in class and having a, well, moment, take comfort in the fact that you've lessened your chance of having a super embarrassing moment. And off you go. Getting ready for a night out with the girls? Getting ready is half the fun. It's going to be a long night, so a setting spray is necessary. Oh no, there's none left for Helly. Unfair! Next time, take the spray cap off the bottle, pour the last drops into a smaller bottle by squeezing the spout with tweezers. Who knew that much was left in there? There you go. Your fresh face of makeup isn't going anywhere. Job well done, girls! Hey, come back! That's Helly's!
Man, I really could go for something sweet before science class. Oh, good. I remembered to pack my special snack.
Is that just me or is that lipstick she's talking about?
That hits the spot. Are you seriously so hungry that you'll even eat your makeup? I could have given you a granola bar or something.
Between you and me, this isn't really lipstick. To make your own lipstick snack, take a regular lipstick applicator like this one. Make sure the lipstick's all out. Next, fill a bowl of white chocolate chips like this. Pop them in the microwave so they're all melted. Mix in some food coloring the same shade as your favorite lipstick. Once it's all mixed, pour it into the empty lipstick applicator. Careful, this can get a little messy. Be careful not to fill it too much over the top. Once it hardens, you're done. Here, Kevin, why don't you give it a try?
If you say so. Hey, that's actually pretty good.
There's something peaceful about methodically applying your makeup. Until your bestie butts in and wants to share your mirror, that is. Seriously, Lana? Ugh. Lily, haven't you ever heard that sharing is caring? Come on, girls, don't fight. There's gotta be a way to settle this. Oh, besties, can't live with them, can't live without them. Don't pout, Lily. You can always put that angry energy into a prank. Yep, things are looking up already, aren't they? Lana wants to put on her makeup that badly, huh? Fine then, I'll give her some makeup to put on. Just a drop or two is all it takes. Okay, 5 or 6 drops. I got your foundation ready for you, Lana. Oh man, another breakout? Ugh, so annoying. I'll just cover it up with a layer of foundation. No big deal. Wait a second. That's not my shade! Let me guess. Did you have something to do with this, Lily? But maybe this can work for something else. Looks like someone's getting a surprise makeover. If you put a deeper shade of foundation lightly onto a brush, you can kiss your skin with some adorable freckles. Whoa, that looks so pretty! I know, I look radiant, don't I? Looks like sometimes tricks really do turn into treats. Well, what do we have here? Getting all dolled up for a night out, are we? Whoa, that's an amazing eyeshadow palette. So many gorgeous hues. Perfect. Hey, you want it, Bella? No, my eyeshadow! Sorry, Bella. I thought you had a good grip. Ugh, that palette was brand spanking new, Lana. My bad. Hey, maybe we can just use something else on our eyes. Hey, these lipsticks could work, right? Why don't we give it a whirl? Sounds interesting enough. If you're in a bind and don't have all your makeup available, try using some of your lipstick as eyeshadow. Start with a nude shade like this one and put it all over your lid. Before it dries, blend it into your lids to soften the edges a bit. Pick a bold color like red and dab it onto the outer edge of your lid. Once it dries, blend the color in using circular motions with your brush. Last but not least, put a light shade in the middle of your lid, but only just a little. You guessed it, time to blend some more. Hey, if I didn't know any better, I'd say you were wearing expensive eyeshadow. Oh yes, I know I look beautiful. Now get going, you're gonna be late. For many girls, getting ready for the day is a meditative ritual. Don't forget the hairspray. Perfect. Huh? Looks like that metal can left rust stains on your counter. Ugh, why are these stains so stubborn? Man, I just cleaned the bathroom for crying out loud. Nope, that stuff's not going anywhere. What am I gonna do? Oh, hey Bella, just gotta put my nail polish away. If only I could cover up this rust. Could nail polish work? Let's try it out, shall we? First, take some rubbing alcohol and put it onto a cotton swab. Then rub the rust off the can with it. Once you're through doing that, take clear nail polish and paint the bottom ring of the can. Don't be afraid to use plenty of polish. Now when you put cans down in your bathroom, they won't have those nasty rust stains. Finally, you can do your hair without a worry in the world.